Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with 1 can Pillsbury crescent dough and 1 egg beaten for an egg wash. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F. Unroll the dough on a lightly floured surface and press the seams gently so the perforations seal. Do not overwork the dough. Keep a clean ruler or your palm to measure 5 inches for each triangle base so portions are even. This gives consistent baking. Lightly flour a baking sheet or line with parchment and set a small bowl with 2 tablespoons melted butter nearby for brushing. Place fillings sparingly. Use 1 teaspoon jam, a small slice of cheese, or a 1 Oz chocolate piece at the wide end of each triangle so the center stays balanced. Roll each triangle toward the point with a gentle stretch to reach about a 5-inch finished roll. Tuck the tip underneath to prevent unrolling during baking. Place rolls on the prepared sheet roughly 1 inch apart. Brush each roll with the beaten egg for color, and then chill the tray for 15 minutes to reduce spreading. Bake the prepared tray in the preheated oven at 375 degrees F for 11 to 13 minutes, rotating halfway if your oven has hot spots, until the croissants are deep golden brown. Remove the sheet and cool the croissants for 5 minutes on the pan so they set, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling for another 10 minutes. For a simple glaze, whisk 1/4 cup powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon milk until smooth and drizzle. Serve warm or at room temperature and store leftovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.